Good morrow, traders. Welcome to the Halloween stream. You know, just kind of doing what I did last year. That stream got taken down like immediately, so no one even saw it anyway, except the viewers. But I don't know, man. Just did, did the battle last year. There's so much work that gets put into this stuff. So thanks for being here. While Bitcoin is just $10 away from its, that 13,868, which is the highest level on the monthly where traders ever settled up at. That's the topic we've had, the discussion, over and over and over every day. And yeah, so you don't know, I'm the Bitcoin knight, man. I'm the Bitcoin. Let me show you who the Bitcoin knight is. Very easy to look at it. The Bitcoin, it's kind of tough to see, but like if you look behind the chat screen, that's it, dude. That's where we're at, man. All right, so off a little bit there. He looks a little scuffed. It's gonna happen, Larry. Dude, I've been like working on this all day, chailing to me, and it's just so much work, dude. It's like I'm trying to watch football, just trying to relax, and yeah, man, happy Halloween to everyone. I don't know what you are, but man, you're probably happy if you're long Bitcoin in any shape, form, capacity, because yeah, it's showing some bearish divergence, triple MACD, triple RSI, bearish divergence, impending price action, reversal to the downside implied right here at this 13,868 area. Yet at the same time, we're going parabolic, and here's the problem, right? In uptrends, which we're clearly in, this type of stuff underperforms, right? I mean, if it does dump, it might not be much at all before it rallies and goes again to higher prices. That being said, this could completely fail because, bullish conditions, oftentimes bearish indicators can be, again, not very reliable and or just fail outright. And here's the thing, why it could fail easily in this situation is because we know the historical context, right? We know that Bitcoin above its 13,868 area on a significant time scale, there's nothing there, dude. There's nothing, dude. It's freaking kind of outer space. The weekly, man. The weekly, right? Just above this high from June 26, 2019. If you look left on the weekly, there's nothing here. It's nothing, dude. There's nothing technically to like 16,148. I said 16,148. That January high. All right, so you can see this is it, man. This is literally it. If it breaks that, who knows how high it could go and how fast it could go up, right? And hey, the RSI now is finally getting there. It's 72, but we know just even in June, July 2019, where we had the buying climax, we were sitting at 80, right? In the multi-year bull trend, we get overbought much higher, 84, 85. So still room to run, even though you are technically overbought on Bitcoin on the weekly, momentum-driven asset class. So when there is no resistance, man, and the positive momentum is continuing to build, there is possibility for a huge markup in price before a big mark down in price, right? Where a close and reverse candle could happen or something, okay? So we are at very critical areas. We have 1 day, 3 hours till this weekly close. We have 2 hours and 3 minutes until your monthly close. The monthly candle chat. What are we looking at? Oh, nice. My Apple stuff came in. Sweet. Hey, my shadow band dealer, getting no messages from Brad, so I'm really happy about that so far. Let me know. Just drink a little wine, whatever. No one cares. Bama's playing tonight too, so don't know how long I'll stream. It just happens, man. Alright. Oops, man, my freaking ticker is busted. Give me a second. 2 seconds, man. You almost knew this was gonna happen, right? It's like always something, dude. So much work having to be put into this crap. But will it freeze though? Will it actually update? Oh, it's updating. Thank God, man. Alright. We good. Can y'all hear the Skyrim atmospheres behind you? A little bit more chill. Hold on. Let me see if it actually updates. Sweet. Nice. Nice. Okay, so just so you can know, I mean, just to reiterate and to beat a dead horse here, or dead dragon, whatever, because we're in medieval Skyrim, Bitcoin night magic places, right? If you get in 2 hours now, if you get a close above 13,865,868, it'll be the highest level where traders settled up in the history of this asset, which I think is phenomenal. I don't know how you couldn't be screaming about that, freaking out about it. This is nuts, dude. This is very, very good. So yeah, I don't know how you could be not watching at least Bitcoin's price in a couple hours, whether I'm here or not. Okay. Yeah, I'm not shadow banned right now, fortunately. And it was good that I started the stream unprepared and then stopped it to restart it, because maybe that fixed it too. For now. But it is a Saturday. It's a full moon, a blue full moon. The first full moon, of course, on Halloween since 1944. We all know that if you watch stream or if you just have heard about it. It's very significant stuff. It's also Coach Nick Saban's birthday, which is great. And it's snowing here, I guess, somewhat, right? All kinds of snow, but it is very cozy in the armory. In the armory, chat. Cold outside. No big deal. So, you know, Ethereum up 1%, Litecoin's up 3.4%. You know, they were showing an edge. They were showing definitely a reversal, but Ethereum's just caught very few bids since then. As you can look and you can see right here. But this is the monthly. Well, we're starting with the monthly, dude. Let's get out of log. So we can see in 2 hours, less than 2 hours now, you're going to get a confirmed breakout again of the June 2019 high, right? The double bottom confirmation line, neckline. So
Spooky Ghosts must have released the shadow ban. Ghost.
Dude, that is so quiet. Hold on, let me see if I can turn that up. Thank you. Thank you, Colin. Shook music, man. I don't think I can, man. It's weird. Not sure. We'll see what happens. It's Leroy Jenkins, man.
Mitch always brings the energy. Rain, sleet, or snow. The BTC night. How's your college football card looking today?
Thank you, Leroy Jenkins, for the 8s. I think I know who you are. I sometimes don't know. I mean, I'm assuming I know who it is, but so, you know, I had a 3-game teaser. 10-point teaser. Georgia, they covered, -4. I got Florida tonight, -3. And I've got Ohio State -1, -1.5. So I need those 3 to cover together. All need to cover for me to connect the bet for me to win. So, yeah, dude. That's it. Okay? That's like all I'm doing this weekend. Did y'all see? I mean... So this is Ethereum, though, on the 4-hour we were talking about yesterday, where you had a bullish Gartley pattern that bounced off the 200 moving average. You had a very clear, concise bullish divergence, and you've received some price action, but not enough to get you above a very critical area, which was that sell wall from September 13th. You got to break that, man. Now, you think Bitcoin does break the 13,868 area, that Ethereum's just going to get some residuals off that, right? You know, it's just going to go up. It may not be violent or crazy like Bitcoin might be, but it's definitely there. Who knows if Bitcoin will peak going into the close? There's no idea. TA doesn't tell you that, like, really at all. Like, not when you're looking at real significant time scales. It's just not going to tell you that stuff. And I don't think it could tell you on insignificant time scales, really, right? So, oh yeah, happy white paper day. Absolutely. This is the anniversary, right? Satoshi Nakamoto created the white paper for Bitcoin, and ironically it crossed and hit a high it had not seen since January 15th, 2018 today. Beautiful. 2 hours. The time zone is based on universal time. UTC, actually. 8 p.m. Eastern, when it always closes. Now we have, tomorrow we'll have daylight savings, so it will change a little bit when it closes for us. You know, not exactly sure, but it will change a little bit. Tickers, what? So I'm gonna go back to the normal screen. What do you mean tickers? Tickers are good. Huh? Ticker's broken? Yeah, there's not crap I can do. It just does this, and I don't know why or how it does it. I have no outs. I'd have to delete and redo it over again, and it's just like I'm dealing with a bunch of old overlays that I've resurrected from like a year ago when I did this before, and it's just like everything's just terrible. So, I don't know, man. Ticker's broken. It's not. When will it freeze? I wonder when it freezes. When I click on the object again. Doesn't really make sense, man. Yeah, it's such a load of I just don't know what to do, man. Like every time, like there's no way to prevent this crap from happening. Like I have to have this crap up in order for it to work. It's so stupid, dude. Unbelievable. Okay, like, damn, man. It's like hard enough, like spending my entire Saturday doing this, and then there's always issues. No matter what, like you can work so hard on it, and it doesn't matter. And it's like I'm using the old one too. Like I can't go to that one and redo it either. It's kind of absurd. So I'll just try to. I don't know what to do, man.
Rogeri's a decent hum, 60 Hz. Not sure if you can reposition the mic and turn down. Or is that part of the ambient music?
It's a decent hum. There's ambient music playing. It's a hum. I don't know if it's a hum. I don't know what you're hearing. I have no idea, right? Of course. So there's always going to be technical issues. I'm just here fulfilling my duty, right, to y'all. And we're watching Bitcoin do things for a little while. While I drink a little wine, you know, on a Saturday, okay? There's nothing I can do. My air conditioning is bothering people, so it surely wasn't bothering people last night on the spaceship stream, right? I guess I'll just change the music, whatever. I don't really know what to change it to because I'm afraid to get my stream taken down because that's what happened last year. Literally, same thing happened. So. Yeah, dude, it's like they're putting the hammer, they're laying the hammer down on YouTube for copyright. Like that had like 11,000 plus views on that one stream of like a week ago, and it was from something I've been playing forever and ever and ever, and now it's copyright blocking. It's hardcore copyright. So yeah, I got no outs, man. It's okay. Alright, whatever. Yeah, it's like as soon there's some sort of bug. It's like, of course, a bug from their system where when you click a new source, it freezes the capture of the other source. It's the dumbest bug I've ever come across, really. So, and Bitcoin has got to break back above this October 28th high, the local high. But I mean, that high is exactly the high from the monthly and the weekly, June 26, 2019. It's all that, right? I mean, we're not breaking that yet. And you've got a little time left, not too much more time. So, but it's good. I mean, like, it's always a good day when Bitcoin's up 2%. Litecoin up almost 4%, 3.5%, you know. It, you know, that channel it broke out of, right? I mean, it hit the target, right? Beautiful target. I mean, it was the first target of the trade setup. What's up, Crypto Sauce, man? Good to see you. Thanks for the sub. Happy Halloween. And, well, I mean, you know, I think we talked about it yesterday where it was kind of hard to argue that there was a real classic bullish divergence because the histogram was so off and the RSI was no help at all. And you're getting some reversal to the upside, but you're certainly not making higher highs, and it is not ensured at all that you will continue and rally. You think maybe we could test $60 again, but at the same time, you think that Litecoin could very well backtest 51.30 in time, right? Just to confirm that what was once resistance would be support again, okay, right? Yeah, chat's hard to read the background. Oh my god, yeah, I know, dude. Sorry, the effort I put into trash. I know. I don't know what's wrong with me. I know, dude. Thank you for your engagement. Appreciate it. So Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, Bitcoin Cash, that you know, hit the top of the range finally a few days ago, right? I mean, that's it, dude. April 8th, you know, May 8th. Look at all the support, resistance, and then it became resistance again finally. But it had already hit the measured move of the range rectangle, right? And it's not catching many bids now. So I mean, you certainly are showing some really nice bullish divergence right now on Bitcoin Cash. Whether it plays out or not, I don't know. I mean, maybe it already has played out, but this is very real, and it's not just on the MACD, it's also on the RSI. On streamer mode? Oh no, it's already on streamer mode. It's hearing it from the other room. Well, I mean, like, you know, you're at a critical point on Bitcoin where, yes, this is certainly an area where a reversal could happen, right? It's gone so high so fast, or so well, and the fact that you have all that 4-hour bearish divergence creates somewhat of an argument for bears that it could reverse here. But at the same time, man, momentum-driven asset class, really, really tough to, you know, if one's thinking about shorting, maybe the best thing to do is nothing. When Bitcoin's doing this stuff, right, it's really tough to, like, and normally these parabolic runs do not end this way. They don't end where, oh man, we're just at a resistance sitting there for a little bit. Yeah, the divergence there, not on the daily, not on the weekly, not on the monthly, not on the quarterly, not on the most significant time scale, only on the 4-hour. That's your only argument for reversal here. And it's just like, instead of taking a short, one could just do nothing, leave it alone, because normally these parabolic runs end with insane buying climaxes where people are freaking out, man, losing their minds. Okay, so I just don't know, man. I mean, like, I don't think it'd be I get why someone would using logic and TA say, hey, this is it, okay? This is it. The divergence is there, but it's super bullish trend, and you only have one time scale helping you, and it's only the 4-hour. And again, in these mega bullish conditions, this stuff can underperform so bad, right? Or just completely fail. So I would just, if you're thinking about going short, maybe do nothing. Hey man, if you're scared, one could just take profit, you know, take a little profit. That's fine too. But telling you, above 13,868, there could just be a huge spike in price. Like, because we know above this, there's nothing, absolutely nothing for a while. Okay. This is a bearish 3 drives, maybe on like the 10-second chart. I don't see 2 consecutive 618 retraces and then 3 consecutive 1272s. I don't see that at all. I mean, this is super arbitrary if you're trying to call that a 3 drives pattern. This doesn't look like it to me at all. That's not a 618. That's not, they're not proportionate, right? The peaks and valleys, you'd have to be looking at the 60-minute or 30-minute or something to be finding that. But I get what you're saying, but nah, dude. That's not it. Doesn't mean it can't reverse, though. I mean, again, divergence, but not on significant timescales. I mean, 4 hour is significant. That's the where people take entries when the significant timescales are showing an edge too at the same time. So, is there a beautiful rounding top? No, gold's at an area of for entry, low risk, high reward opportunity entry. That's gold right now. It's been correcting for about 3 months in a multi-year bull trend at this point. And 3 months, man, 90 days, 100 days. That is an average correction in an uptrend. Wow. So, and where it is now is so nice, right? Like all the 2011, 2012 resistances are now supports for the first time in history. You're back testing them. So, again, it doesn't ensure, it doesn't mean it's final that it's going to break the upside. That's why stop losses and position sizing are so important. It's not just about the technical analysis, it's about the holy grail. The technical analysis, the risk management, and the position size. You have to have all three. Bearish divergence on dominance chart. I mean, it could. It very well could. I mean, TA sometimes does get respected, right, on that chart. I mean, it's the same thing, though. It's like Bitcoin dominance and Bitcoin itself is showing bearish divergence. Okay, well, there you go. Maybe that's good for altcoins, but I don't know how, Bitcoin's going to dump or something on this all this bearish divergence, and then altcoins do well, so. I don't know, man. Maybe I should just change the music to something like more alive, because this is like, I don't know. Like, I'm just gonna put on what I know is not gonna probably kill my channel or kill my stream. All right. All right, whatever, dude. Thank you, Skyrim. Beautiful music. I love it. What's up with that? It sounds like weird. I don't know, dude. No idea. Scuff stream. Yeah, man. So, Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ethereum, Bitcoin Cash. I guess we go to Link again. Link that's, holding this channel. You hitting bullish divergence, turning kind of into divergence a little bit, but you're not catching many bids like many other altcoins. They're just not catching many buyers, right? And so you think this is an area where a pivot point could occur, but it just really hasn't yet. So mysteries abound, right? Mysteries abound on Link. Yeah, and just be sure, like, if you're out there and you want to learn more about swing trading, you want to support the channel, the stream, all the stuff that I'm doing here, the graphics, whatever, the fun stuff, the not fun, the education, all of that. Join the Patreon. Tomorrow is the best time to join. Absolutely the best time to join. The first of the month. That's when the billing cycle starts. So you've been waiting. Tomorrow's the best day. So you get trade setups with that, right? And we've got a lot of trade setups that have hit at least first targets, and you get the education, so you learn how to fish for yourself. You don't have to rely on me. That's the whole goal of the Patreon, is to make it to where you eventually, if you keep investing yourself, you won't need me. But a lot of people learn how to fish for themselves, and they stay in the group because it's so active, and there's so many people that take the teachings I've applied, and they're looking for the same stuff, and we're all communing in a chat together, and right, that's how the magic happens, right? A bunch of eyes is way better than 2 eyes, right? Bitcoin breakout? Question mark? Yeah, I know, right? Is it a breakout? Nah, it did break out. It did break out earlier today, but not yet, because you fell back below it. You even showed a bearish hanging man reversal, kind of. Okay, so now you're just butting back up against that resistance again. You're regarding it as resistance, so you need to break that with 1 hour 41 minutes to go on the monthly. If you can break that, my God, man, it's gonna be historical. It's gonna be nuts. It's gonna be insane, man. So, hey, thanks for the 726 people tuned in. It doesn't matter if you like the stream or not. If you like at least Big One's price action, hit that like button, that bell, that sub. Thanks so much, whatever. I appreciate already the 224 likes that have occurred in duration of 30 minutes. So, yeah, man, let's see if the parabolic run will bust the bearish divergence, right, where the negative momentum is waning. But just as easily, if you break this resistance, that positive momentum could just start building again, and then it could be invalidated. So, but a beautiful parabola curved line tool. That's it's perfect, man. Very, very good. The touches we got here, and we have not broken it yet. It's so nice. Can anyone hear the music? I don't even know, man, anymore. Yes, there was price action above $14,000 today for the first time since January 15th, 2018. You gotta love it, man. Here's your daily, not showing anything really, no edge like for bears or bulls. 676 on the RSI. That's what happens in mega bullish conditions. You back test 70 as support. You see that sometimes, but this thing's just still going, and it's just right at an area where if you break it, man, there's just not much above you besides a few Fibonacci points. There's that 14,157 where traders set it up January 13th, but I don't know, man. I don't know if like that's gonna play a role as a reversal point. But we do know that that area is a golden mean ratio from your previous high, right? August 17th. XA, this is wave analysis. The 1618's right here. There it is. 1618, it's like 14,000. I mean, it pretty much touched it. I mean, it didn't quite. I mean, you're talking a few dollars off an asset that's 13,847 right now. I mean, you're at a pattern completion zone of a mega bearish crab pattern. But, you know, on the daily, there's no edge. The weekly, the monthly, the quarterly, none of that's implying a reversal of the downside. So the argument for this is rather weak, but you just gotta keep it in mind that there is no value here. This is certainly, you know, you've had too many opportunities to accumulate your position over this year, and now it's just starting to go nuts, man, on news-driven catalysts, Square and PayPal. October 8th and then October 21st. Those are the 2 days where the craziness started it all, or started it and then continued it, all right? So that's the only thing. It's like at this area, it could reverse, but we also know above 1380, there's just nothing, man. There's just very, very little resistance historically. So, and the fundamentals, obviously, as we've been saying this for many months now, fundamentals on Bitcoin all-time highs, for sure. Wow, y'all gung-ho on getting me drunk last night when I had stuff going on. I mean, I don't know, I had stuff going on, I guess, after this stream too, but you just never know, man, with live streaming. You're like, it's like you can't expect anything as a live streamer, you know, ever. Jesus Christ, how's this even happen, man? There's no spin, dude. There's no spin, there's only the flip in this situation. Jesus.
Logan tip $310.74. Happy Halloween, brother man. Roll Tide and spin. 0.000000000 ETH.
I want these scuffed headphones because, like, no one in medieval ages would ever wear headphones, like real ones, over the ear headphones. So I can't even hear. It sounds really scuffed, but is it audible? Can you hear that TTS? I can barely tell. I can't even tell you. So yeah, there is no spin, dude. There's only the flip for that, right? We'll see. We can also do Halloween no chart. Oh, I need you to see my my beautiful S coins. What's going on? What? Oh, sorry. My beautiful S coins, my Cardano double axe, my really scrubby XRP double-edged battle axe, and then my really scrubby, that's that Tron axe over there. We let the children in the village use that, right? I mean, they're all terrible, kind of like terrible. We do have that, and we did buy these trash weapons with that treasure trove of Bitcoin over yonder, if you can see it. So, you know, man. It's all good. We should have changed it, man. I mean, the sentiment's just only gotten worse, dude. Only gotten worse for XRP this year.
Happy Halloween. Thanks for the chat, Mitch. My messages aren't showing up on the chat.
EB, I'm sorry, man. What's your name? What's your YouTube name? There's probably a database of why you got hidden if you did. So the mods will do all they can to look that up and see what happens. And here's... you know, I just wanted y'all to see that, you know, part of my armory here. Let's go back to where we have the chart. I always want that to be available to ye. There it is. 13,858 connect. Wonderful, man. So scaling a little bit. I gotta flip this coin, dude, alright? Gotta flip the coin. And this is not gonna be easy with all this get up on, alright? Okay, here we go. Remember, you know what it is. If it lands, if I flip it, it lands on my hand. I put it on my arm, and then we go. All right, heads is the 5-ounce wine chug, and then tails is nothing. Okay, Logan, you got me yesterday. You killed me yesterday. One flip, one kill. You could probably do it again. Good odds, right? You got me. Gosh, dang it, man. That's the B. You got me. Unbelievable, dude. So what used to be bad luck last week, I think Ninja Girl was the good luck charm. Or the bad luck charm for you, but good luck charm for me, you know? For not getting wrecked. So let me just do this 5-ounce chug. Hey man, it's the same amount of alcohol that's in one shot, that's in one beer. It's just easier to put down. Jesus, man, that's probably too much. But whatever. 13,864. We're climbing at the highest point of this 4-hour candle with an hour and 33 minutes to go. Happy Halloween. That's probably way too much. Again, just bonus points because you tipped a little bit more than 225. A lot more, right? Almost $100 more. So there you go, dude. I'm drinking the same amount of alcohol that would be in one shot of whiskey or one shot of beer. It is one shot, one 5-ounce glass of wine, okay? Decimated, dude. Ugh. Jesus, dude. There you go, Logan. Get wrecked, dude. Easiest chug of my life. I mean, simple chug, man. As we are just inching closer and closer, we're just a few dollars away from the area, from the spot. Okay. Man, it's like the more alcohol I drink, the more scuffed I look. What the? Excuse you. Decentralized Bitcoin. No, that's... Bitcoin is decentralized.
Kangs.
What's up, 619? Thanks for the 3s, dude. Yeah, Kangs indeed. Happy Halloween. Just making sure it's not Thanksgiving or anything. I could probably do this again and be like, it's so cozy in my armory, it could be Thanksgiving right now. And I think you'd all agree with me on that, alright? So... Is Auburn still destroying LSU, unfortunately? You know, that kind of not cool, dude, right? What's the score? Oh my god, it's 48-3 LSU, dude. I don't know what happened to y'all. I mean, I know what happened. You lost all your starters except 5, but dang, man, not even competing in any of these games. Wow, what a beatdown. So yeah, we'll go back to the normal screen so you can see. And it's got snow back there. Well, who doesn't want to see Bitcoin and then snow behind Bitcoin's price action? It's beautiful, right? Work of art. Oh, Matthew D, rest in peace, dude. I believe your alma mater. I'm sorry to hear about the breaking news that Michigan has lost to Michigan State, the team that just last week lost to Rutgers, one of the worst teams in the entirety of the NCAA. Man, Guz, I don't even have Guh on this soundboard or on this stream deck, but man, Guz in the chat from Michigan. Hardcore, dude. Sorry, man. Like, for real. Sorry. And, hey, you know my stance on Michigan. Fire Harbaugh. Get Les Miles, dude. It's going to be... It can't get any worse. Just say... Dude, it can't get any worse than Harbaugh, man. Not really.
Dilly dilly. Spin.
What's up, Casey? Wow, the first spin request of the evening. I am down, man. Saturday, Halloween, full moon, blue moon. Bitcoin could be doing history, and who would not be cheersing to history? Hold on, I have it still from yesterday. But yeah, last yesterday. Oh my god, that's too big though. Hold on, let me shrink that. That's what she said. Okay, Alright, Casey, man. Good luck. Not gonna happen though. Get wrecked. Nothing, dude. Nothing. Well, I guess we can play the game or something. Jimmy Ragsdale, I saw the Jinja's music video. Yeah, I did appreciate that. I don't know, man. Yeah, it's whatever. It's a weird thing. It's a really weird thing, dude. Words. What words do now? The sensitivity is all-time highs. Here we are. All right, $1 away from the highest. I mean, what we need to break. Okay, we're just knocking on literal heaven. This is heaven's door, dude. All right, what you're knocking on right now, what you broke early. You were in heaven for a couple hours, for a few hours, and you fell below it. The bearish divergence. Just remember, man, if the parabolic run is to continue, if the lack of supply, the too much demand narrative continues, which is this curve line tool telling us, you could go to moon. Like, moon is above us. We are now cracking at the breakout point again. We're re-breaking out. Not to freak anyone out, dude. Okay. Here, all right, social. Yeah, here you go. Social, man. I know the Bitcoin price above my head's frozen. I know, dude. There's nothing I can do about it. It's so dumb, dude. It's the dumbest thing ever. See how it's not 3/3 with, oh my god, dude. 50%, by the way. Who wants to talk about this coin being rigged now? Over the jet.
Logan said $259.02. Let's go 3 for 3 with the flips. BTC will pump if this happens. Kappa no kappa. Full blue moon is looking orange as the chords. 0.666888800 ETH.
Thank you, Logan, man. Holy crap. Yeah, we're gonna flip, but hey, y'all can hear that, right? Loud and clear on the TTS. Not me, the TTS. That's what I'm having trouble hearing. I'm at stupid scrubby speakers. All right, we're gonna go full screen again, okay? Full screen with the chart to the right side of your screen, as you can see. Knocking on heaven's door. We're gonna scale it in a little bit. We're breaking it right now. We are literally breaking the highest point ever on the monthly. We're above it for maybe a few moments, but revel in this. Deep breaths in through your nose, out through your mouth. On Halloween. Bitcoin's doing things big time. All right, decibels are fine, or they're good, they're perfect. Well, perfect's too good. All right, here we go, Logan. Time for you to get wrecked. I'm gonna be arrogant on this one. I was timid. Okay, I was timid on the other spins, but this time it's different. All right, the odds have changed. All right, reflip. Sorry, I'm trying to keep it all on screen so there's no effery. Okay, hold on. Landed like in my crotch. Okay, here we go. Nice. Tails.
Happy Halloween, Larry.
Safe.
Skull. Alien.
Super safe, Logan. Nothing you can do about it. I'm sorry, man. Sam T, thank you for the 1337. I'm not Larry. You're Larry, dude. Well, there's Larry in all of us, right? I guess. Is this your homework, Larry? Thank you, dude, for the leet contribution. Much love. All right. 13,879 and climbing. Highest point of this 4-hour candle with an hour 25 minutes to go on the monthly, not even the 4-hour. Okay. And you're working on a bullish engulfing candle. This is what I'm talking about on the MACD, where, oh my God, it's winning. No, it's building on positive Momo again. Like, bullish conditions are extreme right now, extremely bullish conditions. So, you know, you can't even call it maturing divergence yet because now you're just building again. It's
Blue Moon, Hunter's Moon, Bitcoin birthday, Halloween, Dia de los Muertos, roll back the clocks. All things happening right now with the #1 TA life community in the nation. Happy Halloween, Broshevsky. Now DJ spin that shrimp.
Alright, you said spin, so... Oh, what's up, 6 men?
Happy day after Halloween and Bitcoin at 20k here in Mordor, 0.026.
20k in Mordor, yeah, the Kiwi. Yeah, the, what is it, yeah, the Mordor dollar has been beaten down. And those dang orcs, man, devaluing the currency. That's Sauron himself devaluing the currency down there. And all he's trying to do is get the green back, right? Get the US dollar there. He's Sauron himself's printing Kiwis. And he is just literally, after printing, he's transferring it and converting it into the US dollar like many other nations are doing. Okay, so let me find this wheel real quick, man. Thank you, 6 Dude. Appreciate it. And thank you, Timbo Stein, for the lead contribution. Holy crap. Wheel. Oh, I haven't done it on the big screen yet, so let me put it somewhere. Alright, 13,885 on Bitcoin and climbing. Hey man, be cool right here. Right, just kidding. But it's right there. We'll spin it. All right, social again. Okay, I guess I'm playing the game, man. I'm playing the game. Reluctantly with Logan lurking. Oops. All right, that's 1, that's 2, I guess, right? No idea anymore. Okay, social again. Let's go. Everyone's getting social. Everyone's getting wrecked, I guess. If you're playing the game properly, you've been sipping a few times, I guess, right? And I'm sorry about this stupid, like, broken thing real quick. I could go into the spaceship for a moment just to give me a second, okay? And do not judge me. Do not clip this. Do not screenshot this. This is something you should just close your eyes for 2 seconds, okay? I need to do something. I need to grab something, okay? Is it broken here too in the spaceship? That I shouldn't be in right now. It is broken here too. What the f? This doesn't even make sense, dude. It doesn't make sense. God. It's so broken, man. I think it had to do, every time I update this piece of crap system, every time I do it, man, it does this. It's so, and now the wheel's just randomly appearing on Chug, which is not real. You saw it, right? Like, what? Get out of here. Technology is trying to F me bad, dude. Top Jesus needs to be... Oh my God. See? Like... Look at the top Jesus, man. How does this work? What overlay is this? It's the dream overlay, right? No, it's green screen overlay. Oh, blasphemy. What? Hold on a sec. Dude, this is so ridiculous, man. Oh no. Dude, what am I supposed to do about this? I don't even know anymore. What the... Sorry over the double cheese, dude.
Hello game, let's test this wheel since I took the L in the flip. 0.080000000 ETH.
Alright, we'll do it if I can... It doesn't even make sense now. When I paste it, the source doesn't exist. But it does at the same time. What the... Dude, I'm telling you, streaming... Oh, it's so easy, man. What this guy does is such a joke. Dude, it is so ridiculous, man. It's so unbelievably stupid. Like, 50+% of the time, there's nothing you can do about it. It just sucks. And it's randomly disappeared again, I guess. I don't know, dude. Alright, we're gonna spin the wheel, dude. Spin it, yeah.
Logan tipped $31.10. Hello game, let's test this wheel since I took the L in the flip. 0.080000000
L on the flip.
ETH.
Alright, here's your spin. Safe, dude. Another social. This is just a social world we live in, man. Alright? Just be careful out there. I know it seems maybe like an interesting area where one could go short, but there's not enough data on the significant time scales to give your argument weight. It's a very light-weighted argument for shorting at this area, just because the historical context of Bitcoin, and we know this is a momentum-driven asset class, this is the momentum. We literally have charted the momentum for you on this screen. You see it, okay? So I know it's there and could dump, but it's like at the same time you could get obliterated because there's nothing looking left after 13,868, which you're technically slightly above right now, and you're trying to engulf, and the positive mode just starts building, okay? So it's tough, man. Yeah, trend is certainly your friend, 100%. Prime for a gulp? No, there hasn't. I don't think there's been one gulp today on the stream, on the wheel. So, what are you gonna do, man? What are you gonna do? Chalen, if you're watching, man, just keep in to consideration the next time we do this, the scroll and stuff. We want to darken the scroll so people can see that white text.
What Bitcoin and sex have in common?
Maybe I could. See, God, I'd have to do so many stupid things to get to that. What does Bitcoin and sex have in common? When it's up, it feels so good. Is that wrong or right? Is that the right answer, Manu? When it's up, it feels so good. Okay. Let me know if that was adequate. I don't know. But I mean, like, look, dude, we could be monitoring these other assets, these other S coins, you know, like we'll do on normal weekends. This is a different meta. The meta's different since October 8th, man. Ever since October 8th, dude, it's just...
You have to pull out at the right time.
You have to pull out at the right time, says Manu. Okay. Yeah, sure, that could be the thing too. Sure. Absolutely. There are no crickets here. It's too cold. Crickets stop chirping. If you look outside my windows, crickets stop chirping at a temperature of 58 degrees, I believe. And if it's not that, it's a couple of degrees one way or another. So, crickets in the chat, all right? Yeah, not embarrassing at all. We're good, dude. We're good. Whew. God, man. Unless you make Bitcoin babies. Yes. 13887. We're almost at 8. We're at the 888. Look at that, Logan. 13888. It's a sign from the Bitcoins. It's a sign. to not pull out, not sexually, talking about Bitcoin, right? I mean, it's just, thing is though, man, for all of you people that have been watching, like having those people, like, I don't know, man, we're speculators of this market. Haven't we acquired positions over a vast amount of time at much lower levels than where we are right now? I mean, like, how have you not? If one's not taking that long-term play on Bitcoin, the money printer, every single day we're talking about Jerome Powell, money printer go burr. And then direct stimulus checks to American people, which actually will cause direct inflation. Okay, so that didn't happen in 08. We didn't get direct checks driven into the real market, right? So, and remember the one stat to remember, out of all the money that exists right now, the US dollar that's out there everywhere around the world, 22% of it was created this year alone. That might be one of the biggest arguments for Bitcoin's fundamentals and why it should continue to rise in price, right? I know the halvening and all this stuff, but if you know how much money they printed, how much money is directly going into economies from governments, that plays into this, being a hedge against inflation. All right, so you got a ticker, David McCoy, man. Thanks for the 5. You got a ticker, dude?
Can we look at M2 supply versus M2 velocity?
Give me a ticker, dude. Thanks, dude.
Shout to all the beautiful ladies. Wakula.
I don't know if I have that sound. What the heck? I don't know if I have that, man. What? I have... Bruh. Dude, this is so scuffed, the audio here. Wow, what am I supposed to do here? I don't have that? Really? That must be new. I don't even know anymore. Yeah, my ticker's broken. I'm just gonna turn it off, okay? Because I can't handle this. Every 2 minutes, people saying it's broken. I can't help it, man. Yes, I know. It's broken. It's literally effing broken. It just breaks. There's nothing I can do about it. It's like, huh? There you go. Happy Halloween. We're not going off Bitcoin anyway at this point, so you don't need an enlarged ticker if you're. This is enlarged, dude. This is so large I can't even look at my charts on mobile because I'm doing this for you. To have like the ticker so large, the prices so large that if you're on mobile you can see the prices. That's what I'm doing, man. So we're 13,900 is going to happen in seconds, maybe. Nope. Pull them back right at it. 13,900, man. Never hit it. My God, dude. 14K is back. It was back earlier, not now, right? Yes, LSU is the worst defending champion of all time this year. Yes, they certainly are. No question about it. Good job, Orgeron. I know what happened. It went down. We're creeping on up. Forget 14K, dude. Only think about 13,868. 1 hour, 12 minutes to go. Kickoff for Alabama football is in 12 minutes. God, I'm so torn. Do I leave and watch the game? Or do I stay live while Bitcoin tries to pump? It's so difficult, man. It's not easy. Not an easy choice. Okay. Logan, what do you think, man? What should happen? I don't know, man. Yeah, no more tickers for you because too much. It's broken. Okay. What I'll do though, like this is great and scrolling, but people can't read the chat. It's like, fine. Now you can read the chat. Forget about it. We're fixing things. Okay. It's gonna be scuffed. I mean, I can watch the game, I guess, on this phone while I'm streaming. Just not gonna be easy. Yeah, I can try to do both. And then after the monthly candle close, I can leave. Cause I gotta supposed to be somewhere afterwards, after stream. And we're creeping on up, nearing 900 viewers. So I really appreciate all of you watching. If you're enjoying Bitcoin's price action at all, hit the like button, that bell, sub on a Saturday, on a Halloween, on a blue moon, on a full moon. First one since 1944. We all know that. We're an hour and 10 minutes until history is made at this level. If in an hour and 10 minutes Bitcoin was at the price it's currently at, it'd be the highest level that Bitcoin has ever made on a candle close on the monthly. That is stupidly significant, okay? Stupidly. But we are only a few dollars above that high, right? There's no separation at all. It's very, very nebulous still. It's like, what will happen? Will we break out and moon like crazy in a very fast-paced manner? Or will we reject it and then test the parabola line and then maybe break it? I mean, we're all praying that it stays above where it is now and keeps going and engulfs in an hour and 9 minutes. It'll be beautiful. That would be it, man. Do we turn the clocks back tonight or tomorrow? Well, wherever, if you're in the United States, you turn your clock back at, what is it, like midnight or 1 a.m., 2 a.m.? It's something, probably Pacific time. The sell wall on Bitcoin at 14K, you realize, right, that the person who has that sell wall could literally just cancel, right, anytime. Yeah, and it's gone, and then Bitcoin moons, right? So there was some guy in here yesterday, like some guy who's never been here before, you know, questioning things, being like, why's the order book not up, man? Dude, I can't believe this. And then, like, I don't know, I wasn't paying attention, but some of y'all were telling him, this is what we do here, you know? And the guy just, like, starts getting negative and trolly and trashy, right? Like most of them, right? Before they get banned. And it's like, he said, looks like an easy short, dude. The guy's like, easy short at a price of $13,563. Easy short, by the way. Good job, scrub. Good job, loser. What are you doing now, man? Huh? Where are you at now? Oh, you're banned, but you're not here watching because your stupid ideology doesn't work, man. Okay? It was impending price action reversal to the upside yesterday, or continuation of the upside yesterday. That continuation has occurred where we've now back tested 13,868 for the second time. We're trying to break it for real. I mean, it's like, without an argument, like people coming in here without using technical analysis as an argument, trying to argue their case for why something's gonna dump is the dumbest thing ever. It's like, well, it's based on nothing, but it's gonna dump, dude. It's like, you're just stupid, man. Like, it's just dumb, really low IQ stuff, man. But that's what you get on a free stream, right? You just get people that are like that, low IQ, man. That's all it is. My God. Just look, man. The game is about probabilities, never about certainties. If you're in a bullish trend and the bullish indicators are there on somewhat significant timescales, that should lead you to believe maybe the next move is a continuation of the upside, or maybe a reversal of the upside. Not the other way around. When there's nothing implying a reversal to the downside or continuation of the downside, why would you say that there's a reversal to the downside appearing or coming? It doesn't make sense. It's like literally cognitive dissonance, right? It's crazy, dude. Yeah, people see the Big Short once and think they're a trader. Yeah, I guess so, right? Well, I don't know about anything technical here, but okay, dude. Look, man, oh my God. I don't have any buttons, dude.
And then, just like that. bruh.
Logan tipped $258.88. BTC pump, rolling tides, full moon, Halloween, confluence. Feeling like impending pump, FLIP. What's up, Joe Banu? Your 14K may finally come to fruition. 0.666.
Will it come to fruition? Well, it did. Oh, Joe Panu's 14K finally happened, dude. It only took 15 plus months to play out, right? 15 plus months for his prediction to come to be. Hold on, we'll go. All right, we're back. We're now in the armory again. Welcome. We still got the screen up over there, okay? All right, man. Coin flip. Will I get wrecked or will I not get wrecked, okay? There's a 50% chance, I think. Just rubbing this coin, getting it warmed up, man. Getting those molecules moving at faster speeds. The Bitcoin Knight flips. There we go, dude. Aha! Safe. Tails never fails, my friend. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, okay? I'll finish this last sip, though, for that. For consolation, alright? So here we are, man. Only a few dollars away. Right? That resistance, man. That resistance, dude. It's just tough. And you're just... What's gonna happen, dude? I like the positive moment building, though, man, right? So the higher the price goes, the more... See, look, it's like... If you're below... Look, you're $1... If you're $1 below that monthly high, all-time high, then your positive momentum goes to that lighter color. If you're $1 above it, it goes larger green, like darker green. That's crazy, man. Like, absolutely insane. Oh, hold on. I think the sun's going down, so I'm losing on my light. Hold on a second. Where is that one? Hold on. I gotta do something. Crap. I'm gonna add it to master. I need to create my own room, but hold on a second. I gotta turn on my light strip back here. Cool. Now we're good. Now I don't have to worry about scuffness. Green screen, okay. So you get it, man. Like, as soon as it breaks above 13,868, the momentum goes positive again. That's crazy. That never happens, dude. It's never that close to the dollar on an asset that's almost 14K. How ridiculous is that, all right? Good God. Yeah, rest in peace, Sean Connery, man. Is that a joint?
Happy Halloween, Mitch. Thanks for the knowledge.
Crocus, thanks for the 420, man, and thank you for watching. Thanks for being here. Just like 930 of y'all here. Really, really appreciate it. And rest in peace, Logan, for the coin flip going against him 2 times in a row now. We thought it was going to be a rout. It's turning out to be a real game. Turned out to be a game, man. Alright, we got 1 hour, 2 minutes. Bama kickoff and 2 minutes. You know, it's not a big game. Dude, like, what's a big game? I mean, Alabama's going to literally murder Mississippi State. They're going to make them look stupid. They're going to look like school children by the end of the game. It's going to be like, oh, really? Alabama won by like 20 points, 30 points? Great, dude. We knew that was coming, right? I mean, that's happening, Larry. It's on ESPN. Okay. Okay. So it's right here, man. What's up, son? Oh, the DAX is screwed, dude. Well, it's been screwed.
What's your opinion on the DAX 30 index, buddy? Been here for a few weeks now. I appreciate all the free knowledge, so here's a little tip.
Well, son, if you've been here for a few weeks, you know exactly my opinion on the DAX 30, man, right? I mean, it's terrible. It's very, very bad. It's like Dow Jones on steroids, but inverse steroids, right? It's like just pumping a bunch of estrogen into the chart. I mean, like, because that's what steroids are, like pumping testosterone. It's like that, the inverse, dude. It's terrible. It's head and shoulders technical damage has been done to the DAX. Trying to stay on this Bitcoin chart, but I guess we can try to run over the DAX real quick so you can see how awful it is. Oh my God, it's so bad. Nah, Doug, that's just your upper lip, dude. I'm waiting on the lag. You should start your own stream, though, Doug. I'll see how you do when you do it every day and you come across 50,000 different variables that you can't control. They're out of your control. It's not easy, man. But go ahead, keep criticizing, dude. Yep.
Noise! Happy Halloween, sir. Sorry for your stream issues. Let's make history in an hour now. I'm saying. Heads we drink, tails we chug. Flip it.
Yeah, dude. The flip is, the flip is like a 250 thing. If you want a 50% chance to make me chug an alcoholic beverage, a whole alcoholic beverage, it's a 250 flip, right? Now that's a wheel spin, right? That like what you tip will allot a wheel spin, sure, and we'll do it right now. Oh, look at the DAX be just trash, dude. Oh, I think that's gold. Pretty sure that's gold. Yeah, it's gold. Logan, you got real lucky right there, dude. Okay. I'm in the jet. Let's go. Dude, all these Bitcoin balls.
Logan tipped $267.70. This flip will hit like Man's Warehouse. I guarantee
Man's
it.
What's Man's Warehouse, dude?
0.000088.
Right, we got a 5 ounce ready in case it does, because I feel like it probably will too. I mean, at this point, right? Sorry, dude. DAX technical damage is awful. Like, there's no, like, what you broken is so bad. Like, there is a support from December 2015 that could bounce. You could bounce there. But if the stock market, New York Stock Exchange keeps going down, do you realize, like, last time, I mean, these times, 11,276, but then 10,349, well, they're being shut down. Europe being shut down. Why could it not eventually see 10,349? It's awful in Europe. Like, the authoritative governments over there are cucking so bad the economy. They think they know everything. Hey, you don't have guns, you don't have free speech. They get to do everything over there, okay? And if they want to ruin the economy, they certainly can, okay? They want to cause war, they certainly can, and historically, they certainly have, right? You know it, dude. So let's see. Yeah, let's let Germany be in charge of everything again. Yeah, dude. How did that happen? They lost 2 world wars. How are they in charge somehow of the EU? Merkel, an East German communists. Let's let them be in charge. Open the borders, dude. Let them all in. Let the third world migrants in, dude. Just destroy. They're just nihilists. There's just a bunch of nihilists over in Germany and a lot of European countries. And it happens, Larry. Dead culture. Okay, when you don't have something to believe in, you're ashamed of everything. This is what happens, Larry. Okay? You get this. You get the DAX. Anyway, we're not going into it much further, even though I did just go deep into it. Let's flip the coin for Logan, all right? Let's flip the coin. Jesus. Here we go. I'm going to try. If it doesn't catch in my hand, it's a reflip, okay? All right, perfect. All right, you got me. You got me, dude. Yep, the B. All right. There you go, Logan. Good job. Easy checkable eye, man. Perpetual guilt futures on your screen to your left. No, is it? No, it's your right. Sorry, that's different from me. Okay, let's go to Bitcoin, man. DAX technical damage is awful. 11,859 if you do rally. with no divergence, no edge on the market. You test that, maybe it's resistance. You got to break back above that. My God. Good luck. While you're locked down, your economy is already crap. So, and here you are, man. You're just $1 away from that breakout point, man. You're $1 away. Yeah, in before banned for literally speaking based truth. I mean, come on, dude. You know it's real. Like, it's whatever. Like, you get arrested for saying what I said, and in that country you'll get arrested. Okay. So just forget about it, man. Oh, you get arrested for something? Chances are there's a reason, maybe. Okay, for saying something. Imagine thinking Germany's and even the UK are free, truly free. When you get arrested for saying something that does not incite violence against someone else, that's when it's nuts, okay? Because that's when I put my foot down, and that's where the extent of the law of freedom of speech stops in the US, is when you incite violence against another. Everything else is fair game. You can say it, okay? So I just think that's crazy, man. Dissent against a tyrannical government, you can get arrested for. In Europe, pretty much anywhere, okay? Bama's not kicked off yet? Really? Okay, so there you go, man. 54 minutes, less than an hour to go. You are back below. You are now what you broke. You never confirmed it as support. You're now back testing the resistance as resistance again. So, not really great. And when you do that, that bearish divergence continues to develop, and that's not good. So, this is how close things are, right? This is how pivotal this 13868 is. It could mean your divergence develops more on below it, and above it means it gets invalidated, and you keep going to the upside. So I don't know, man. It's a weekend. Who knows how it's gonna go, man? We don't ever try to act like we know where the market's going, right? We just talk about the probabilities that could occur. But we disregarded something that was once resistance as resistance again after failing to break out of it. And that's not normally, the Wyckoff up thrust and the back test of the up thrust, right? Or we can go back to the normal chart. Since Logan got his way, he did it, man. But guess what, Logan? The problem is, dude, I'm still standing. I'm not slurring my words. We're speaking based, but that's it, dude. So I can still be arrogant and be like, yeah, dude. Sorry. Too easy. Easiest chug of my life. Dude, Vegeta, man, are you serious? Because that's happening like in not your country, not Portugal, maybe not, but there are certain countries in Europe where you do get arrested for certainly speaking your opinion about your government or about the policies that they've implemented with the mandates to shut down entire economies. Like that's real life. That's not a joke. There's evidence of it. It's there. And it's not on me to provide the evidence. This is a TA show. I'm literally talking about the evidence I've already seen, that I know. Okay? So, Vegeta, I don't know, man. Maybe not in Portugal, but in many countries in Europe, it is very real. And there are probably people in this stream that live in Europe that could say yeah. But they're probably scared to say yeah, you know? Same thing in Australia at this point. All right, kickoff. Nice. Nice. Okay, dude. Okay. Well, it's been kickoff. All right, so we've got the ball. All right. Yeah, they call it hate speech, but anyone can decide what is hate speech, right? That's where the problem happens, right? Anyone in power can say or decree, oh, this is hate speech. And I'm going to loophole and tell you why it's hate speech. That's the problem. Okay, well, here you go, dude. Boom. We'll just, we'll play it like wherever you're from, Yusuke. There you go. Now you get to live it, okay. M2. Sorry on Bitcoin chat. Seems like all hope is waning on the monthly breakout of all-time highs. That is very unfortunate. Okay, because I mean, we're close. I'm adding alert. We're gonna go to this money velocity. I don't know, man. You tried to break, you failed. So it's a back test and a fail. Let's see, M2. What do we, M2 versus, right? M2V. How do I do versus on the chart, right? Oh, it's laggy, so I'm waiting for it to update. Dude, this is what you get. I don't know why on my PC it's like that. So M2, oh, the compare. Okay, M2 versus M2V. All right, so we only do daily. All right, here's your M2 money stock. And then we're going to do compare. Yep. Let's see. Where's compare? Oh, compare to the MV2. M2V, excuse me. M2V. Give it a second. Just give it a second. It's just like laggy, man. I just wish I knew what made it lag like this. It doesn't even make sense, dude. Like, my whole browser lags. And it's even if I'm on YouTube and trying to search for something, it does the same thing. Okay, so it's really weird. Okay, velocity of money. So we've got ourselves, oh my God, dude. So is this the, let's see. M2V is this, the velocity of money, versus money stock. So the amount of money created or that is in existence versus the velocity of money. Yeah, doesn't that make a lot of sense? You say the monthly looks crazy to you? All right. Oh my God, dude. So money stock, right? Isn't money stock the amount of money that's in existence? Correct me if I'm wrong, Liberty. I'm waiting on you in Patreon chat already to say something. I see you typing. Total amount of money. Yes, okay, that's what I thought. This is the amount of money that's in U.S. circulation. All right, the circulation of the U.S. dollar in the world. Okay, and look where we are. All right, and then this down here is the velocity of money. What I was talking about, right? Where it's like, okay, hey man, you go to the gas station, you buy gas or you buy snacks, right? And then that money exchanges your hand and goes to the clerk. The clerk puts it in the register. All right, well then eventually the owner takes that money and he eventually pays his clerk. He pays his vendors that stock his shelves. And then what happens, right? That money goes to the vendor, it goes to the clerk, it goes to their hands. And then eventually it leaves their hands and goes other places, right? And so from there, we are every single day, we're at all-time lows on the velocity of money. That's exactly what I just explained is what velocity of money is. And you're seeing the amount of money that exists that's in circulation, and then here is your velocity, right? How far the US dollar takes you, right? From one hand to the end when it eventually is nothing, okay? It's awful. And this right here is why Bitcoin should continue to increase in value. This right here is why Bitcoin should increase in value. Okay, very nice, Liberty. Very, very nice. You're putting on a chart what I've been talking about for a while. Okay, it's forget the moving average. There's no TA here. All you need to do is look at percentage, man. Right? It's just stupid. It's unbelievable. It's broken. And if you don't think inflation is gonna get you, it's gonna get you, dude. Like this is what I'm talking about. Hedges against inflation, real estate, maybe Bitcoin, gold. They're all gonna play a role here. Equities, maybe, but like with equities, man, I don't even know. Like, so toppy on the monthly chart, right? And weekly chart, they just don't look very good technically. So maybe Jerome Powell comes in and does things. It's nuts, man. It's like something's going to give. Something will give. This cannot sustain. You're getting like $10 gallons of milk and 5-10 years now, right? I mean, it's stupid. So anyway, just looking at that, great request by Liberty, a patron, and yeah, I just didn't really know how to, thanks for giving me the tickers, and yeah, man, I think that's illuminating for many people that are watching right now. And just think about it, if you're not even in the U.S. and your currency pair is tied to the U.S., it's gonna get even worse for you. Pretty much. How can it get better if you are already an asset that's tied to the U.S. dollar, right? And in your chart, it's not looking great, right? I mean, you just gotta be understanding of what's happening. Logan, are you scared yet? Oh, I know Logan's probably the least scared person in this audience, but some of y'all should be scared. I mean, it's just it's not about being scared or fear mongering or anything. It's just being cognizant of what's happening. Okay, just remember the stat that is so eye-opening. All the money that exists currently, 22% of it was created this year alone. That is, something's effed up, man. And the stock market is really not that great. Stock market's like, kind of tumbling, and when it's tumbling, we have the same problem we had before the crash, even worse now, because of what I just told you about the U.S. dollar, how much has been created this year. Like, we could double dip. We're gonna really go fill all the gaps in the Dow Jones Industrial. That'd be terrible, man. It's like you did everything you could to stimulate the stock market, and it ran up to make a double top, and then crashes again. But you created all this new money, and it's like no one wins. Everyone loses unless you own maybe a hedge that is actually gonna appreciate in value. And there aren't many right now. Gold hasn't even taken off from its breakout. It broke out and it's back testing now. And we're thinking at these levels, GLD is a pretty safe spot to, if you already own GLD, which you probably should have, especially if you watch this stream. My God, for the past 2 years, you know how bullish we've been on gold. The complex inverse head and shoulders, composite operator, $155 billion worth of gold acquired by central banks. We found out they are the composite operator of what was happening. Right? You've had all these opportunities. You've been told about it. And now it's been in a 3-month correction, and it's now back testing old resistance from 2012 as support for the first time ever. Okay? And I'm still waiting on this effing search bar. It's so stupid, dude. And the thing is, what's so nuts is like you're showing a bullish cipher at this crazy 3-month correction low, right? Where it's like, okay, you see the steel, it should be steel wall, a steel support. November 2011, February 2012, October 2012, right? And then you go all the way to now, and it's like we fell and we tested the low part of it, we've rallied, now we're testing the top part of it, of the support. And you're showing that complexity, that XABCD 786. This is it, man. This is where a reversal should be occurring, and one would just be having a very easy, like, no, you don't even have to think about it, right? The stop loss is like, if you're once talking about GLDs, 172.80 or maybe 172 itself. 172 to be really loose on it, okay? You don't want to mess with gold below 173.81 to 175.52. Because we know, look left, we just looked at it. That's why. But if you stay above this long enough, dude, the chances are it's gone. It's gonna, I mean, why would gold not, based on what they're doing to the US dollar, they're pillaging it, why would it not do this eventually? Okay? And continue its massive mega, or continue its amazing run that's been going on for 2 years now. 2-year bull run. Fundamentals, all-time highs for gold, all-time highs for Bitcoin. And yeah, maybe the yen, Japanese yen could be all-time highs too, right? The hedge, right? It's nuts, man. Friggin' nuts. So anyway, gold, we're on a tangent. Well, all we're doing is talking about really like what's going on with the Federal Reserve, what they're doing, man, to the world reserve currency. They're ruining it, and in turn what they're doing is they're ruining all the other currencies. So you've got that. It's real estate, Bitcoin, gold, silver, right? The yen. I mean, that's about like equities should be it, but if the technicals are so bad on equities, right? I mean, it's hard to be like, yeah, equities also hedge against inflation too. It's tough, man. It's so nasty. It looks so disgusting on technicals right now. So. Tipsy Mitch for drunk. Logan, is that what you said? Nice job, dude. Wait, that was me. Never mind. Tipsy Mitch for drunk. Is that presidency? All right, so Bama's got the ball back. It's 3-0. I shouldn't be here right now, but I'm sticking around. First down. Let's go, dude. Beautiful. I don't know, man. Again, like this is like the easiest drunk of my entire life. Like there's no pain here, Logan. It's like super painless drunk. All right. And there's nothing you can do. Well, there's things you can do about it, but you know, man, this coin beckons. All right. It's like the One Ring, and it beckons to me. And here we go, dude. Here we go. Oh god, that was terrible. Up. Automatic first down though, doesn't matter. Boom, get wrecked. Double coverage, scrubs. The moon is up now. Yes, if you're mobile and you're able to walk around while you watch the stream, go out. Well, and it's nighttime still. Go outside. Look at the blue full moon. The first one since 1944 on October 31st, which is Halloween. All right, do it, man. Do it. I've certainly tried absinthe. It's very interesting. Wormwood is the active ingredient in absinthe, and it's certainly like it's like muscle relaxing, man. It's a very, you know, it was funny. Brad, do you remember Hyped on Crypto Days, dude? That was the only alcohol at my house, and it was like, all right, people were like, give me a drink, man. It's like, all right, the only thing I get drink is absinthe. And I would drink absinthe on stream, and that was when March Madness happened, and that's when we got copyright strikes for the first and only time ever in history. So, whoa, 6 round on Halloween stream. Let's go, dude. Let's go. Who's competing against me? Huh? Even if you're not even crypto, or if you're not even in technical analysis world, who's competing against me, man? Huh? Who are you out there, dude? Huh? Who you? That's what I gotta ask. Well, you know, number 1 through 5, Bradford, they like Pundy coin, I guess, you know, or they're like US dollar shills or something. Oh my God, what the? Well, that didn't go very well. Wow, actually stopped. Yeah, absinthe was certainly the cause for the copyright strike connect. Yes, it was.
Bruh.
Yeah, I don't know what happened, man. Our numbers keep elevating and our chat engagement keeps dying. I don't understand it, man. I don't get it. It's so weird. I'm about to break the seal, dude. This is it's not good. But yeah, drinking this wine is very easy, man. I can't believe this guy tells his patrons to get wrecked, dude. Well, I'm getting wrecked, you know, and it's all about positivity. Get wrecked in a positive way. It's very real. Like it happens, man. The more you invest in yourself, the more you get wrecked positively, okay? Whoa, dude, Texas. Oh my God. Wow, Texas beat Oklahoma State. That's crazy. Dude, upset every weekend. So many of them, dude. Nick Knack, Patty Whack, you've asked this question too many times. You know what? At this point, I'm going to say no. I'm going to say no. No. Okay, just to piss you off. No, it's not going to break. It's not going to peak. Bitcoin will not be above 14,095. It will not be above that in 35 minutes. No. Okay. Well, I mean, I answered earlier in the stream. You just act like I didn't even. You're like typing in chat like I'm not even live. Like you don't even have the stream on. You're just like typing and just like, well, who does that? You know, no one does that, dude. It doesn't look like it's going to break the monthly at all at this point, dude. We have 35 minutes for somehow Bitcoin that just rejected a resistance as resistance again. It's very tough to think that this is now going to break. We were really close, man. We were above it. Things seemed good. We were starting to bullishly engulf the previous candle, but now we're not. Now we're not. It's very, very interesting. This is like we're watching Lord of the Rings, The Return of the King, for the first time in our entire effing lives. We've never read the books. That's what's going on right now. It's that legendary. There's a huge battle going on between good and evil, between buyers and sellers. Okay, that's it. And you've got your popcorn. You're losing your mind. Coin flips have been had, but I'm still standing, and this is the biggest joke of my life, right? In terms of, oh, I'm so drunk, dude. Like, remember the Vet Moon Boy days when I vomited, Logan? Not even close, man. Not even close. If I auto-tune that is a vague pronoun, Matthew D. I don't even know what that means, Connect. Sorry, you have to forgive me. I'm watching the game, like the Bama game, while, you know, Bitcoin's not catching bids. It is only catching asks above 13,868. So that's it. Would I be longing this? Certainly not. Why would I ever long an asset right now that's showing triple MACD RSI bearish divergence, that is at a critical reversal area? For a swing trader, this is a terrible area. This is like, swing traders like, oh, yeah, Bitcoin that was great. You know, October 8th was great, man. October 21st, these are great times, man. But right now, dude, this is like, for a long position, there's no edge, right? If there's not an edge for the swing trader, you just move on. Move along, sir. You go to the next asset that's showing the edge, and you try to trade it. You know, like this one's like where we are. Is you certainly could continue and run to the upside, and that's great, and that's why we have hold positions. That's why, I mean, like, I have a strong fundamental speculative belief that Bitcoin could be at higher prices next year than it is right now. But that was me saying that, you know, back in the 9s, right? Same effing thing. Well, wait, where is it? Nines or the summer? No, even lower. Like, no, yeah, this like fundamental belief that Bitcoin could be at much higher prices next year, and here we are. Like, if you're a bettor, if you took that bet, you know, you're up tremendously, and that's okay. And you could have accumulated, but like I've been accumulating for 2 years at least, since I started that one-up coin. I mean, because tips, right? Look how much money Logan's tipped in Ethereum and Bitcoin Casino and just everyone on my birthdays. Just all that money. That's a lot of money that never got touched, right? When it goes to Bitcoin, it just sits there. It doesn't go to cash and then comes back to it. No, it just sits. So it's like my own form of retirement, since I don't work. You are my boss, right? Most of the viewers are my boss. I don't touch it, right? So yeah, you had all this opportunity to do that, and now it just happens to be that the major breakout's occurring, or it's attempting that breakout on the monthly. Well, I mean, you're just right at it, man. And it doesn't necessarily mean you have to break out and make your highest high ever. But my God, it would be fantastic. 30 minutes to close above 13,865. You're looking on your screen. Let's go to the effing real screen. Hold on. Right here, man. Like, you're looking left. You're looking at December, the month of December 2017. You're staring at it in the eye. And you are regarding it as resistance. June 26, 2019. You're regarding this as resistance. If you could break above it to buy $1, highest levels ever. We're trying to set it up. But again, it's not done that yet. And 30 minutes to go. I have no idea how it's going to close. No idea, man. It's up, it's down, it's crazy. It's like a freaking movie. It's like the first movie, The Lord of the Rings, Fellowship of the Ring. Then The Two Towers was in June of 2019. And now here we are, Return of the King. Return of the King, Logan. Return of the King, October 2020. Okay? That's it, dude. That's literally it. One up coins not working. Gosh dang it, man. How? I'm about fed up, man. I'm fed up with technology. I'm about to go live on an island, and I'm just done with it, okay? Like, that's my life, man. I'm so done with this crap, dude. Oh, well, I have money on...
Got it all for the Buckeye game. Thank goodness for being here.
I have money on Ohio State, okay? It's part of my bet. So, they just need to win the game. Like, I've been pretty much pick them. -1, 1.5. So... Give me a sec, Logan, man. Sorry. I don't know. Always, look, if you're going to do it, you're going to screw me, always test it, dude. Always, because I have no idea. This crap's so stupid, dude. Like I have to, I do this disconnect. I have to disconnect my alert platform with Stream Elements, and I have to disconnect Coinbase, both of them every time. Like, I have no idea, man. It's unbelievable. I don't know what goes on, but like when you're dealing with all these different parties, it's just the way it goes. I hate it, man. Makes me sick, dude. Yeah, here we go. 3-factor authentication on Coinbase. I like it. I love the amount of obstacles it would take for a hacker to steal my account, which they couldn't because of this. I get it. God, man, hold on. Give me a sec. What? Where's my audio? Okay, I don't know. Hold on. I'm just gonna try to spam through this. Dude, this is crazy. It might be that I'm on a new computer, or not a new computer, but a computer that I haven't verified and all this time, so it's just trying to up. All right, Logan, it should work. I'm gonna do a test right now. Testing. Boom. All right, Logan, it should work. If it doesn't, it's literally a blasphemy against Jesus himself. Okay, you'll see. Okay. I'm really good. The life we live. That's all I can say. I'm so behind on this game, I bet. We struggle busing? No, we're okay. Yeah, bulletproof vest, because the bullets that they shoot at us are literally US dollars. So what a joke, dude. 26 minutes, man. I'm trying. Oh! Oh! Devontae. Beautiful. Just pulled a national championship touchdown. Let's go. Let's go, dude. All right. I know I'm probably late on that, but whatever, dude. Okay. So your Litecoin, it will probably moon. Well, Litecoin certainly was at a profit-taking level, where one could have taken profit and held the rest of their position. And yeah, you'd be a little impatient at this point, but it's like, it worked, dude. It worked. So what happened? What happened, Logan? Did you deep talks Bama Coin?
Logan took $265.81. Deep talks Bama Corns 8-factor authentication. Let's spin to that. Get wrecked in a positive fashion. 0.68880000 ETH.
Gotta keep going for my stream deck, but I can't use my stream deck here. Oh my god! Alright, here it is. This is it. I'm gonna flip this. And we're gonna see if I get wrecked, dude, okay? 50% chance, literally. There's no edge, there's no divergence. But based on the edge of numbers, you're winning, okay? So I lost. Yep. I looked at it and saw it was tails. When it landed in my hand, I'm like, all right, yeah, you got me, dude. You got me, dude. All right, this thing's ready. This thing's prime, man. Oh my god, and that's more than 5. There's probably 6 ounces, so, or 7. Are we not men in armor as Bitcoin Knights? We're the Bitcoin Knights. We have. Hey, Logan, go look up Bitcoin Knight art. Look at the address, dude. Not the address, the description of the Bitcoin Knight from the author, and then spam it in the chat. You must do that, okay? It's fantastic. It's wonderful. I can't remember the words that the artist put into play. It's good though. It's exactly what we're doing right now. What's happening on Bitcoin is he's doing it, okay? So look it up, man. All right, hold on. At least this isn't freezing. At least it's not carbonated. But I will get drunk for sure. Hold on. That's a good question. That's all. What does a composite operator dress up as? He dresses up like a normal person. Okay? He dresses up like, meh, you don't know who I am. We are the composite man. No big deal. Bitcoin making its climb with only 23. This is literally, I've never seen Bitcoin in a position that is more significant than this. Never in my life. I've never seen. But my life is like, okay, yeah, well, I've only been in the space for like 3-ish years, so I cared about stocks long before crypto, and that's a lot of y'all. Some of y'all have cared long before me, but I'm just saying, like, I don't know, and maybe you people who were here before 3 years could tell me, based on technicals, a more significant area than this. This is it, dude. This is like the most insane area ever. It has to be 13,865. The monthly close. We're so close, dude. Like, we could make the great FOMO of 2017 look like a joke. Right here. We could do it if we break it. We're $50 away. $55 away. Great unknown user says he warned people this week to get out of Bitcoin while you count. This week, dude, right? This week, by the way. This week. So, Bitcoin was at 13,000. What about last week, dude? Were you not warning people then? Are you just only warning people now because it maybe makes sense? But you didn't warn people last week, right? You didn't warn people about PayPal news. You didn't warn people about... Nah, dude, you were probably saying short the whole time, and like now you're showing up to the party. You're gonna Nostradamus, dude. Nostradamus connect, right? Keep saying it, man. Keep saying it's over for Bitcoin. Maybe the whole time this rally's been happening, you've been saying, I told people this week as a nobody, I have no track record, I'm just unknown user. Get out now, dude, while you can. All right, dude. Great argument. Great argument. Yes, that's awesome. It's just ridiculous. It's just like these people that we've never seen in our entire lives come into the chat and they say all these things, and they're almost like every chat engagement, it's every other person, it's them. And they're so obtuse with their commentary It's like, what are you doing, dude? Where were you? You're Captain Hindsight on crack, dude. Like, no one wants to hear it. No one wants to hear what you have to say. You have no argument. You provide nothing. 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 Who's in a joint?
Current BTC status is equal to the invention of fire for humanity. Wars will be fought as Satoshis in the future.
Bro, that'd be nuts. Hey, thanks for 420, dude. Thank you, man. And thanks for the 8-factor authentications by Logan, dude. Oh my god. Alright. Holy crap. Come on, dude. It's like, I'm the unknown user, but I'm only going to talk about Bitcoin literally right now. I've never been in this chat before my entire life, and I'm going to say, dude, I was here like 4 weeks ago, telling people to sell too. Easy short, dude. Easy short, by the way, that scrub literally last night. When we were saying what the 4 hour was implying. The 4 hour was literally implying continuation of the upside. We've got it. We got it, dude. And it got the easy short, dude. It's like based on nothing. Like, please be wary if you're watching the stream. Be wary of the people who shout things out without an argument with the charts. That's all Bitcoin is chart. There's fundamentals are great. Or like news-driven catalysts happen. Good side, bad side. Guess what? The stuff that you dreamed of 3 years ago, mass adoption, that literally happened October 8th. That literally happened October 21st. You don't have to worry about it anymore. It happened. Mass adoption is occurring right now. And look at the price action after the fact, okay? So I'm just saying, man. Like, it doesn't mean that at 100% certainty it's going to break 13868. It doesn't mean it's going to be at much higher prices later. You just need to understand crypto is actually being mass adopted right now. It's happening, 2020. And we're on a parabolic run since it all started September 9th and October 7th, okay? Parabolic run is happening. Yes, certainly. You have bearish divergence occurring on the 4 hour. I understand that. I agree. I certainly agree, and I'm telling everyone, yes, there is triple MACD, triple RSI bearish divergence, but with a momentum-driven asset class, it's very difficult to call a top on an asset like this, dude, okay? So just because it's showing that doesn't mean it's gonna dump now, okay? Because you have no help on the daily, the weekly, the monthly, the 3 month. They're all bullish right now. Like, it's tough, man. Hey, what's up, Gall, dude? Boom. Thanks for the 2341 super chat, the 500 Mexican pesos. Hype in the chat.
Bruh. And then, just like that,
we was Kangs. Thanks so much, Gall, man. Wow. All right, we'll go back to standard chart. I forget, man, if am I in standard or am I not? I don't even know. Thanks for all the support. Logan, dude. I mean, yeah, you got me to chug there, dude. But, you know how... Do you know how easy it was? Do you know how, like... You can't win, dude. I mean, you're trying to win. But, like, right now, dude, all I'm saying is, like... I'm winning right now. Because look how... look at me. I'm in my cozy arsenal. Okay? You can't see back there. But back there, man, I got, like... hot cocoa ready for me. There's like a hot tub over there. Dude, life is so set up in this arsenal. You can't get me drunk enough, man. You can't win the wheel spin. You can't win the coin flip. You just can't do it. What's up, Gall, dude? Are you doubling it? You're saying, all right, I'm a double down. 2341 super chat. The 1,000 Mexican pesos now. Far more pesos that Logan sent this way. Kappa, just kidding, because he sent US dollars and or Ethereums. But man, the Mexican peso, there's a sweet spot right there, okay? There's a sweet spot in the pesos. Feels good, dude. Logan knows what I'm talking about. Kappa. Or not Kappa, I don't know, dude. I'm getting a little loosey. Look, let's be real. A little loosey-goosey. We've been covering Bitcoin for 1 hour and 55 minutes now. If you don't worry about me. If you're enjoying the live stream, if you're enjoying the coverage of Bitcoin's price appreciation today, hit that like button, the bell, that sub. Don't worry about me, man. Okay? It's like, hey, man, like, I prefer having someone actually covering this in real time versus someone not covering it in real time because it's Halloween, because it's a full moon, because it's Saturday, right? I'm here. So that's the like button. That's all it takes, man. It's like, whatever, dude. You know, who cares? Wow, this song sucks, dude. I'm a little embarrassed. This was better, alright? We're good. Alright, so 17-0 Bama. Easiest bet. I mean, it's like stupid, dude. It's like 2 minutes left in the first and 17-0. Get wrecked, dude. Wow. There's certain bearish divergence on the daily. No, certainly 100%. There is no bearish divergence at all on the daily. None. Not even close, dude. Oh my god!
Bruh. And then, just like that.
Wait, hold on. We could do this one. We could do.
We're not
Logan
gonna
tipped $262.75. Another flip. The coin is rigged. Against you. Feels good. No kappa.
We're not gonna run out of
0.68.
We're not gonna run out of ammunition. Connect. Alright, here you go, dude. Alright, we're gonna go full screen for this one. Alright, chat. You're rooting for Logan now because I've been wrecking it with this coin, man. This cone. This gun. Alright, you wanted to land on Bitcoin, not the circuit breaker. If he lands on the circuit breaker, I win. If it lands on the B, I must chug a 5 ounce. I'd say 5 ounce. 5 ounce. Beverage glass of wine. I mean, that's live. That's how it happens, Larry. So we got less than 15 minutes now until your daily, monthly candle close. Extremely important. It's Halloween. I am the Bitcoin Knight. That's who I am for Halloween again. 2019, 2020. Let's go. But 2019 was completely scuffed, man. It was like no one even got to watch the stream. I think I was probably shadow banned, and it got taken down for copyright. But now we know this one's not gonna get taken down for copyright. We're good, dude. How do you spin the wheel, Gall? Hey, man, $10 minimum for the wheel spin connects.
How I do spin the wheel.
So, Gall, all right. So what you gotta do? You tip 10, and you must say "spin the wheel" in the contribution. All right. So you just tip 468. So I guess that's like if you tip 250 Mexican pesos and you say "spin" in the super chat, the wheel will be spun 100%. All right. 250 Mexican pesos equals about a little over $10. So that's why I say. But hey, man, you know you did tip, you know, about $50 US. So I could just spin for you a couple times because of that, and that's cool. But some people don't know the rules, right? So all right, here we go. All right, this is the spin, or this is the flip. If it lands on tails, I win. If it lands on heads, I have to chug. All right, here we go. Okay, respin. Oh my god, dude, that thing landed like freaking Africa. Hold on. Good God.
Mister, you are awesome as always. This
Dude,
is great to watch.
Hold on a
Twilight
sec,
of the
Mike.
World candy to these crazy COVID catchers.
Give me this thing, man. Are you kidding me? Like what? Thing landed ridiculous area. Hold on. I'm the Bitcoin Knight. I'm the Bitcoin Knight. Oh, you want to see Mandalorian? Mandalorian was pretty good. It was okay, not bad. I liked the work together stuff. I loved that. Plot was okay, you know. Like, where's the main bad guy? I guess they have to. It takes time, right? Would have been. No, we have no idea, Logan. All right, so here we go. Heads. God dang it, dude. All right, so what is that? Are you 3 in a row now? Are you 3 in a row now, dude? Oh my god. I might be screwed, dude. Ugh, the wine. Look at this, dude. This is what I've been drinking, man. No scam, dude. This is, you know. Here we go, Bama. Come on. This is it right here. Whoop. Perfect, Devontae. Perfect. Yeah, nonchalant 50-yard, 40-yard pass. Whatever, dude. Beautiful. So 10 minutes, I don't know, man. I don't know. I don't think. It seems at this point the probability each minute that passes, the probability decreases that you're going to break 13,868. I mean, you'd have to get a serious pump to break this. You're not even close. I mean, you're close. You're actually extremely close. Okay. But I don't know, man. Why does it have to be so close? Wine gets you right from sulfites. Yeah. Also, ease of drinking it, right? I mean, that's real life. So, God, 10 minutes, man. Monka S chat. You should all. I don't know why. Oh, I'm not gonna watch the stream on the most important. Like, if you miss this stream, but you watch any stream after this one, it's like, what were you doing, dude? Like, this is so important. Like, this is how close we are to we gotta go to the monthly. The monthly has to be up on screen for the rest of the time. 9 minutes 45 seconds ending in this month, and we're right at it. We're very close, but we're not above it, unfortunately. Are you gonna really close right at it? That's so bad, dude. Okay, I'm gonna mute my mic just in case I make weird noises when I check this crap.
Mister, you're awesome as always. This is great to watch while I give away candy to these crazy COVID catchers.
I wouldn't say, what is it, great? I wouldn't say great, man. I don't know, man. As a content creator, I would say I'm average, you know, like, I have my own, I definitely have flaws. Like, I definitely let things get to me sometimes. I definitely get angry and upset. I definitely have problems as a content creator, as a human, right? I'm just not perfect, right? I think there are people that probably handle things a lot better than me. But like, when you do it every day and you get new problems every day that you've never encountered before, and you've been doing it for like going on 3 years, it just gets so stupidly frustrating, because it's like, when will the problems that I've encountered, that I'm using my experience to combat those new problems, when will it end? And it never ends. And it's what I've learned, and it's so hard to accept that, like, with technology and all these different third-party apps and stuff, you're gonna get problems. And so I would say I'm definitely on the mediocre side when it comes to, as a content creator, amazing, right? I mean, my problems definitely, like, are there. So definitely, certainly flawed. But hey, at least I'm real. At least I don't try to fake it. Okay, so thank you, dude. So, oh yeah, go. Sorry, man. I'm not trying to not. I switched scenes for you, okay, to spin this wheel. All right. Here you go, dude. All right, social connects.
Just got here. Pissed I missed this whole stream. How bad is it if we close below 13,869?
I don't know if it's like terrible or anything. It just, you don't get confirmation. You don't get a form. Like, remember, 3 different forms of confirmation. The candle close breakout. That's important. If it's a monthly, it's really important. We have 6 minutes left, 7 minutes left. I don't think we're gonna do it. There's no way. We're not moving up $65 in less than 7 minutes to close above. No way. We're so close though, right? It's not terrible, because forget the 13,865. Just think about the break, hook and go confirmation, the huge bullish engulfing candle we're getting on the monthly. You should think about that, man. I mean, this is bonus points almost, right? Bonus points to close at our highest level ever from 2017. That's bonus points. So, $65 with 6 minutes left. If you can do it, amazing. If not, not the end of the world. Doesn't mean the bull trend's over. Because the monthly, man, the context is great. Okay, so. Look at charts. We're good on the screen. Yeah, okay, so. That's right. Life isn't about waiting for the storm to pass. It's about learning to dance in the rain. Yeah, and that's like struggles I have. I certainly have struggles with that, and that's okay, man. Like I'm extremely aware of my flaws as just a human, and that translate if you're real as a streamer, it translate from what your flaws are as a human to a streamer. So yeah, man, it's tough. It's tough getting over that and doing all that stuff, right? So, oh my God, 4th and goal on like what, the inch line? Are you kidding? I'm just quarterback sneak it in, right? I agree. Bitcoin could certainly do the unexpected in a bull market. We are in a bull market, and then on significant time scales, we've broken out of a 2.5-year large consolidation structure. That's crazy, man. Other two confirmations. Okay, so I mean, Bizco, you know, man, really, you watch all the time. You get the candle close confirmation breakout. That's one form of confirmation breakout. You did that July. The next form of confirmation is the breakout, and then the next candle is the back test. We did that for 2 months. Okay, 2 months of back testing breakouts horizontally and down sloping. Okay, and this month we're getting the engulfing candle, which is the strongest form. The break, hook, and go. So you get the breakout, candle close confirmation, the back test confirmation, and then the engulfing confirmation. This is it, man. This is the strongest form of confirmation that exists on the planet for any market, no matter what, dude. Whoa, dude. Oklahoma State's tied up with Texas. What happened? All right, Ohio State's up 7-0. That's my bet, dude. That and Florida are my bets. Okay, so let's go. What, I use Coinbase chart? Everything else is like lagged or using like non-US dollar. I don't know, man. Everything's like Tether. It's Bitcoin US dollar to me it's it, dude. What? I use different default ones for different ones over time, and Coinbase seemed to be it. It was the one. Okay, that's why. I'm not confident in the last 5 minutes. What do you mean? I'm just saying, like, I'm thinking 3 minutes left. You're $50 away. It's probably not going to happen. I mean, it could. Well, it's like a lot of movement that has to happen in a very short period of time on a weekend, dude. Right? It's just meh. Oh, how confident am I in the last 5 minutes? I have no. I don't know, dude. I think with the way we're looking at the monthly, extremely confident. Like that this might get follow through price action, but who knows, man? You could always back test 10,700 again. That'd be terrible, but. Yeah, I don't know, man. You had the back test. You had back test for 3 freaking months at this 10,761 area. So, no, I mean, it's just kind of weird. In 3 minutes, we're not going to make our highest level ever. Like, the highest level ever is right here. And we're right now saying, nah, we're not going to close above it. Something miraculous would have to happen in the next less than 3 minutes, dude. It's not going to happen. I hope so. I would love for it to happen, but... what are you going to do, man? What are you going to do? 20-0 Alabama to Mississippi. Like I said, the game's already effing over. And it's just, the second quarter's just begun. Like, really? Really, dude. What did you? So I'm keeping the scaled out so you can see the December of 2017 peak where traders settled up. And as you can see, we are multiple dollars away from being at that, and you only have 2 minutes left. So I mean, it had to be a miracle. Like Jesus himself would have to come in to buy right now to push this price to close higher. I don't think it's gonna happen, man. I just don't like how is it gonna happen, man? It's really actually like right there, 13,863, a couple dollars off. So this is how you know you scale out. You can see it, man. It's like. No good, man. No good. Only Jesus himself can help us. Alright? And we're trying to watch this game too, okay? So, too much time. Oh my God. Decimated. Perfect. 4th and 10. Beautiful. 1 minute, 11 seconds. We've been waiting for this all month, man. All month. And it just kind of sucks that for just a brief few moments of the month, we were certainly above it, but we pulled back. So that's it, man. Less than 1 minute, chat. Sorry. Just gotta remember, bearish divergence and stuff is going on the 4 hour, so 30 seconds. This is it, chat. Are you ready, man? Sorry, man. It's all over. There's no chance. No chance it's happening. It's a certainty at this point. It will not break 13,863 on the monthly. So it will be the second highest level of all time where traders have set it up, not the first. Alright, it happens. And it's done. A new candle has been born. An old one has died. But a huge, insanely large bullish engulfing candle. I think that's immaculate in itself, okay? There you have it, man. Not bad, not great, not terrible. It is what it is, man. I've been live now for 2 hours, 11 minutes. If you're enjoying it at all, hit the like button, the bell, and sub. I wish we could be here on greater terms, but I think the terms are incredible enough where you just confirmed a breakout can go confirmation outside of an ascending triangle that's been in development for 2.5 years. I think that's wonderful. Sorry. Alright, man. So, I've missed the first quarter of the Alabama game where it's already 20-0. God. And it's already a beat now. We all kind of knew it was going to happen, but, yeah, man. I just kind of want to go see some people locally that have common interests with me on this game and stuff, and I appreciate the contributions, the likes, the love, support. Logan kind of carried everything, dude. I mean, Logan, $1,656. I think it might have been more. I don't even know. He might have tipped different amounts. So, thank you, Logan, man. So much, dude. I appreciate everything. I don't even have a thanks for watching screen without the Mandalorian. Wow, I don't. So I'm just gonna turn my webcam off and be like, thanks for watching. So really appreciate each and every one of you. I love y'all. Alright. If Bitcoin starts pumping, man, like really above 13,868, we start going, man, 14 plus, like nothing. Like if it's candy bars, right? People eating candy bars, Bitcoin pumping, it's a joke. Well, then I might come back. I might be back tonight, later, but I gotta go see some peoples, hang out, watch the game. For my alma mater, man, I went to school there, so, you know, briefly played there. So I'll be back. Freaking love y'all. Logan, man, thank you so much, dude. I can't even express the amount of gratitude I have for all these contributions you've been graciously giving the past few weeks, man. It's unbelievable, and I really appreciate it, man. Okay, so I'll be back. Till next time, respect the TA. Remember, Patreon, best time to join is literally tomorrow on the 1st. Join the Patreon first. You want to learn about swing trading, you want trade setups, you want education, you want to be in a friggin' amazing community that is extremely active 24/7. Much love.